We're not even gonna waste any time. It's a lock tour. She's the real queen of the jungle. So I'm about 3 months into my journey and I wanted to just take a look at my progress so far and see what's going on. I feel like I'm doing a apartment tour. Welcome to my apartment. So this is what, if you hear pitter patter in the background, it's my little lion. Her name is Rose. Okay, so I have pretty high density hair. That's why it took so long for my locks to be installed. It took about 52 hours and it took 4 days. Whew, it was a long process, but it actually wasn't that bad because I was so determined to get my hair done that I almost would have done anything it took at that point. But I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit or come closer to the camera and I'm gonna let you guys look at my locks. This is us really close and personal. So I just recently got a retie and these are, I like the parting. I think she did a very good job. Very, very good job with the parting. I have primarily smalls and mediums. I asked for more smalls than mediums. I actually don't know what I asked for because I asked for smalls, then I asked for mediums, then I asked for whatever she felt was best. I have a little bit of frizz in each of my locks, but I don't mind. My ends right now are still curly. I'm not sure if you can see them well. My ends are still curly. On this side, I have a little bit of heat damage, so I'm not sure if I can show you a lock. Yeah, like this lock doesn't fully curl on the end because I always straightened my leave out and things like that. So it's been a little bit damaged, but in the grand scheme of things, I don't mind. So I'm gonna turn. I'm going to turn to the back. This is what my locks are looking like in the back. So it's a little bit, I'm not sure if you can see. This is what they look like on this side. I think I have a budding lock right here. So it's a little bit longer. So about my 3-month journey, not much has really changed since my first month, I feel like. I didn't really experience much slippage. I experienced slippage mainly in my fronts, but she says that that'll stop as time goes on once I get a little bit more length in the edges, that the slippage is gonna stop. After my first wash, this is pretty much what my hair looked like. It's gotten a little bit thicker, a little bit, but I'm definitely not 100% locked. I still need to braid and band because I'm only 3 months in. I think you have to wait 1 year if I'm not mistaken, and I cannot wait. Yeah, so let's do a length check. Hold on, this. So in my front, this is like one of my fronts. I am, let's look, 7.5 inches in my front. And I'm gonna pull one out on my side. Yeah, this is gonna be a pretty quick video because there's not really that much to discuss. It is 10.5 inches on the side. We're gonna go to the I thought I was 12 inches when I started. Maybe she said 10. I can't remember. Rose, I'm making a video. She never wants me to live my life. Okay, let's look. And it's about 9 inches in my back for that. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. But yeah, overall, these are my locks. I absolutely love them. Probably like each month I'll do an update to see if anything's changed. Thank you so much for watching, and definitely subscribe, like, and feel free to comment. I respond to all the comments. And I really like talking to you guys. I hope to see you guys again. Bye.